sellers' losses are mounting as the BTC price downturn shows that some investors are panicking at current prices. Data from on-chain analytics firm Glassnode and trading suit Decentrader shows that in January, more and more BTC entities have been selling coins for less than they purchased them. Hi, what's going on YouTube? I'm creeptosolutions, back with another huge news on Bitcoin price. Is it bull or bear market? Let's dive into it and see what we get from this. Alright. While no one wants to sell an asset without profit, Bitcoin downtrends tend to see a certain cohort of market participants do so anyway, for fear of greater losses if they stay put. This panic selling is often derided by long-term investors who argue that stronger, more liquid players will scoop up the supply to the detriment of those who sold. Analyzing the spend profit output ratio, that is SOPR metric, Decentrader analyst Flip Swift revealed that while selling overall remains relatively low, panic has set in this year. SOPR, that is spend output ratio, has had a consistent patch of on-chain loss selling recently, he summarized to Twitter followers this week. I believe a lot of people would like to know more about SOPR, that is spend output profit ratio. Alright, SOPR actually takes aggregates price bought versus price sold data for BTC in a given period to produce an overall impression of whether sellers are in profit or at loss. As noted by its creator, Renato Shirakashi, the psychology of selling at loss means that only those in panic mode are likely to do so, and by extension, the shallower selling this month could be cause for relief. It is interesting to note that the selling at a loss the past few months has been much more shallow versus 2018-2019 bear market, but much deeper than we saw in either bull run period. The central land analyst Philip Swift is also in line with this. Well, according to Cointelegraph, Bitcoin price activity has surprised with its 50% retracement since November, this being somewhat uncharacteristic of what should the most bullish part of its life cycle. Zooming out, the whole of 2021 arguably looks like a consolidation zone after a rapid gain a year ago. This and many more actually poses a lot of questions as to who are those selling their bitcoins off. Are these the retail investors or the institutional investors? In order to actually confirm that, Glassnode confirms that the majority of transactions now involve significant sum of $1 million or more. This, the firm concluded, points to institutions, not retail, as the driving on-chain force. This signifies that the selling off of Bitcoin, while Bitcoin has been actually going down predominantly, is now linked back to institutions that are now selling off their holdings of Bitcoin. Well, this, believe in me, is causing a lot of discussion. As we speak currently, a lot of discussions are ongoing on whether the bull market is nearby or not. Will the bear market continue or not? These are discussions that, believe in me, are ongoing. Just stay with us as we keep you updated on what is going on with Bitcoin. Don't forget to press like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the best.